Today we are doing exercise 2.3 and in this video I will explain question number 1 to question number 4. Now we are doing exercise 2.3. This is question number 1. Find 1 upon 4 of first 1 upon 4, then 3 upon 5 and then 4 upon 3. This question consists of 3 questions. So first of all we will find 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4. So we will write 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4. Of means multiply, but don't take the sign of multiply. So 1 ones are 1 and 4 fours are 16. So this is our answer, 1 upon 16. Now it's B part, 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5. So we will write 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5. Again, of means multiply, but don't write the sign of multiply. So 1 3s are 3 and 4 5s are 20. So our answer is 3 upon 20. And this 4 upon 3 and this 1 upon 4. So we will write 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3. Now here you can see 1 4s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So our answer is 1 upon 3. Do the second part of first question yourself. Now come on the second question. Multiply and reduce to the lowest terms. Means here we have to multiply and then convert it to the lowest term. Now write 2 upon 3 of 3 to the 6 and plus 2 8. So 8 upon 3. This improper fraction we have converted, this mixed fraction we have converted into improper. 3 to the 6 plus 2 8 upon 3. Now again we know we have to multiply the numbers if of is there. So 2 8s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. Now this question is multiply and reduce to the lowest terms. Now here you can see 16 and 9 is not divisible by any means common number. Does not have a common factor. 16 and 9 both cannot be divisible by any one number. Means 16 is divisible by 2 but 9 is not divisible by 2. 9 is divisible by 3 but 16 is not divisible by 3. Means they do not have a common factor. So they will not be reduced. Now do the left parts yourself. This is 2 upon 5 multiply 5 whole 1 upon 4. Question number 3. Now here we have written 2 upon 5 as same and 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21 upon 4. Now when numerator can be cut by the denominator and denominator can be cut by the numerator, then we have to reduce. Now here you can see this is 2 and this is 4. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. We can cut these numbers. Now no number is there which can be cut. So 1 into 21 it is 21 and 5 2s are 10. So it is 21 upon 10. Now this is improper fraction. Now here you can see this is improper. So we will convert this into whole or mixed fraction. Now divide 21 by 10. Now 2s are, it is 1. This is rough work. 1 is remainder, this is quotient and this is divisor. So mixed form of this number will be 2 whole. Quotient is always in whole. Remainder on the upper side and divisor 10. Means remainder will be numerator and divisor will be 10 and 2 is the quotient. Do left part of question number 3 yourself. Then question number 4, which is greater? 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4 is greater or 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 is greater. So first of all write the same. and in place of or make a box, or here 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. Now 2 3s are 6 and 7 4s are 28. Then 3 5s are 15. Here 3 5s are 15 and 5 8s are 40. Now we can cut the numbers. It is 3 and 14 because 2 3s are 6, and when we divide 28 by 3 it is 14. Here it is 3 divided by 5 and it is 8. Now these two numbers are divided by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 8s are 40. Or this is divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 14s are 18. So 3 upon 14 and 3 upon 8. Now you know when denominators are same, when numerators are same, then greater will be smaller and smaller will be greater. Means when numerators are same, then greater denominator will be smaller or smaller denominator will be greater. So here 3 upon 8 will be greater, so this part is greater than this. So our answer is 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 is greater. Do left questions as same as first we have done.